This is engine 411 of Hanover Fire EMS for Hanover County, Virginia. As we understand, this engine was bought and paid for through donations. Open to the public to tour at the Ashland Strawberry Fair, we got to speak to some of the fire personnel. Very kind to adults and children alike, it was neat to see some of the inner workings of a fire engine. See the link below to the county's Fire EMS page to see their overview, honor code, and values, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed touring this vehicle.